there. Everybody, and welcome back to another Abigail Page Designs YouTube video. I thought it would be kind of fun. I did not film yesterday because, let's be honest, so you know how I had ran last weekend? It was like 20 miles and I ended up feeling pretty crummy afterwards. Well, I thought it was just some tiny little thing, it was gonna go away, but I kept getting worse and worse and worse and worse until it actually turned into a sinus infection, and I'm almost pretty positive that I had an ear infection as well. And so yeah, we were really not feeling too great. And so yesterday I slept until 2:40 p.m. I'm not even kidding you. I looked at the clock at 10:40 and that was the last time I looked at the clock. The next time was when I got up, which was 2:40. So I was like, it's kind of too late to pick up the camera now. We're just gonna use today as a chill day. Like I said, I was still kind of recovering anyways. It's been very annoying because obviously I can't train. So it felt very good. I've been feeling a lot better the past 2 days. So yesterday after I got up, I felt pretty good all day. Just got my things done, expended energy where needed, and then I did end up doing a abs and core workout today, Emmy Wong style. Felt good to do one of those. I have not done one in a while. And then we did about 30 minutes on the, what's it called? Air bike, but we did like not super intense. Like I've had way more intense days. The air bike was a good gauge as to where I stand as far as like being better, and I would say I'm not 100% there yet, because even when I was pushing full, I was at a 55. I don't know if that makes any sense to you, but I was at 55, which is still not super, that's not super great for me. I normally can get up to like 65, 70. So that right there just told me that I'm not quite ready yet to get out there and do full training. So we're being patient. I don't want to jump into things until I know for a fact that I am good. So today I just wanted to do like a very realistic day in a life with timestamps, because I thought it'd be kind of fun to show you guys not only what I do typically on a day off, but with timestamps, because the times are very interesting, guys. So it is currently 3:15. We are going to swap the laundry, get my soup going in the crock pot, pack up a lunch, swap laundry, like I said, I think I already said that. And then we are going to pack up the computer, and we have to go and get some media work done. That is like priority today. So I'm actually gonna shut the phone off, shut the camera off for probably a solid 2 hours. So I'm gonna disappear. And then hopefully I get that done, because if I don't, I'm probably gonna have a panic attack. This coming work week is, I don't even have words for it. I mean, I do, but they're not good words. It's awful. I have 2 days of 4:30 to 1. Monday I work 3:45 to, no, Monday I work 2 to 1 a.m. So an 11-hour shift. And then I'm off Tuesday, Wednesday. And then I have an 11:45 a.m. shift to an 11:15 p.m. shift on Thursday. So 11 and a half hours. I can't. I'm stressed out thinking about it and saying it out loud. I don't know how. I'm really honestly not sure how I'm gonna do this. And then on, what would that be? So Tuesday, Wednesday off, Thursday, and then Friday and Saturday I have 4:30 to 1. I'm just like, how is that even legal? I don't understand. I got that schedule and I just could not even. It's because we have training for something apparently, but like, I just, 11 and a half hours. By the 8.5 hours, I'm done. Like, I don't know, but we gotta do what we gotta do. I am going to keep my meals that week as easy as possible. I was thinking about it in the gym today. We're probably gonna do we're talking really easy, like chicken salad and probably eat chicken salad the entire week, because I just don't, it's gonna be like super fast. I don't want to have to think about any of that. So yeah, this week on the menu is soup and tacos, another easy meal. I figured since I'm still not 100%, soup would be a good one. So we're gonna do kind of an Italian soup, but with potatoes instead, because I had to use up those. And then for the tacos, we're probably gonna do more like taco salad style, because I have some corn chips that are pretty stale and should probably get used. So yeah, that's on the menu this week. And without further ado, let's stop procrastinating and get to this, because like I said, that landing page will get done. It will. We are on our way to the pool. It is currently 4 o'clock, and we are just gonna close everything, not even, just ignore our surroundings completely and get in the zone, so that way I can get this landing page done, because I do not want to have to worry about that coming up with this work week. So we're gonna enjoy my iced coffee. I am not an iced coffee kind of girl, but it is an iced coffee kind of day. So you gotta do what you gotta do. And the thought of having hot coffee when it's like 100 degrees out, I don't know, it didn't really sound quite logical in my brain. So that is why we are going to have some iced coffee instead. And it's actually quite refreshing. But yeah, it is very toasty out, and I am living for it. We got the swimsuit on, so that way when I am done, I can go and join my roommate at the actual pool. But the landing page comes first, because I just cannot, like, this is a very huge step for me, and I want to make sure I get it right. Hello, y'all. It is way later, approximately 6:45. So we got it all done. I am so relieved. It's a little bit later than I had anticipated, but that's okay. I still got to be outside. And it just feels, like I said, really good to have that done. That was priority. But now I'm gonna go back, and I can't really remember what else was on my to-do list. So I'm going to look at my planner, because I am a huge believer in planning my day the day before. I like to go to bed knowing what I'm supposed to wake up doing. And I cannot remember what was after the landing page because that was like top of mind. But we got it done. And now it's time to move on to the next task. I looked at my thing, and next I really just have to meal prep and do my laundry. I don't really have the time to be doing this, but I just decided that, you know, I was feeling kind of ripped off. I haven't really done anything that anybody would really call fun or relaxing, honestly. So we are gonna go enjoy the sunset by the pool just for, I don't know, 45 minutes to an hour, and then we will get back to work. But I packed my fruit salad with me. I got a towel and more water because I am dying of thirst. And we are just gonna chill by the pool because it has been quite a week, and we have a huge week coming up. So I feel like this is kind of my time to rest, you know? It is a bit later. We are back home from the pool, and to be exact, it is 7:58, so we're back before 8 o'clock, and we are going to put our soup away. I have the ground beef going on the stove, and then we are going to make something for breakfast. I'm not really sure what yet, but we're just going to whip something up. And yeah, then we will continue on. I have my laundry, and we still got to eat dinner and shower and stretch and all that fun stuff. So we still got a lot ahead. We're gonna stop procrastinating now and put away all this food. Kitchen. We're so close. We have like one more pancake and I am out of here. Running out of the kitchen. Hot. Last pancake. Hey, it is 9:23 and we are gonna fold laundry and eat some dinner. And then after that we are gonna shower and just kind of start the chilling out for the night. So yeah, I really need to charge, you guys. So while I fold laundry, you guys are going to charge. See ya when that is done. Alrighty, it is a bit later. We folded the laundry, you guys sat on the charger, and yeah, now we are about to shower at 11:21, which is actually pretty early for me. Normally I am editing until about midnight and then that's when I start to actually shower and stretch and all of that. So that's good because we got Harry Potter to watch tonight. So yeah, I'm gonna be quick and then we'll probably stretch, get our peanut butter banana bowl, and have a good time watching Harry Potter. I believe we are watching either the 5th or the 6th. I cannot remember. Number 5? Is it number 5? Okay, we're watching number 5. Abby just told me. So yeah, I watched Harry Potter like forever ago. I was probably like 8 or 9, and I don't remember any of it really. So that's why we're rewatching all of them. And I never even finished the series. I think I only got to number 5, and I don't remember anything, so. We just figured we'd start over. Abby went to Universal the other day, and she brought me home a surprise. It's a dark chocolate wand. So I might enjoy that as well. I am pretty stuffy right now, which is not really cool, and my cough is not really cool either. So, I don't know. I hope that goes away before I go to bed, because, like, nobody likes to go to bed with a stuffy nose. But I will see you guys when I get out of the shower. Gorgeous, look at that. A work of art. I don't even want to eat it.
One person couldn't feel
Oh dear. Okay, everybody, it is approximately, oh my gosh, sorry, I got a really funny text message. In case you're wondering, JC's good, we love you and miss you. She was texting us pineapples because, apparently every time she sees a pineapple, she thinks of Abby and I, so we were joking about pineapples and how they haunt her dreams sitting on the TV console. But it is, let's see, use the chin for the watch. 2:35 a.m. and we are going to bed. I am not gonna lie, I feel kind of like poop. So, we're gonna feel things out in the morning. I was supposed to run, but I just can't shake this thing and it's so annoying. I need it to go away. So, fingers crossed, guys. Sorry, I'm gonna cough. But yeah, hopefully soon, because this is just really getting on my nerves and I don't have time for it. So yeah, but I hope you guys liked coming along with me on a day in the life with timestamps, just so you got a real idea of what times I do things, in case you were curious. But yeah, I will see you guys all next week. Sleep tight. Until next time, bye.